Hi guys, this is Maths with Esomnofo. In this video, we are going to solve simple circle theorem problem we have on the board. Look at the board now. We have a circle which is centered at O, and there exists a right angle at R, okay, and a tangent T. And they told us that in the diagram, QOS is a diameter, QOS is the diameter. Remember, diameter is that line that can divide the circle into two equal parts. So the next one is that they told us the angle in Q, that is angle RQS is what? RQS is what? X. And angle QST, that is this angle, is 3x plus 15. The first question we are told to attend to is that we are told to find x. And we are also told to find the angle at RSQ. This is RSQ. That is the angle here. It is very simple. Okay, first, let's just assign here to be what? Our y. You can see that this is just a right angle inside a circle. So first, we can now see that the sum of angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. So whenever we sum x, angle 90, and y, it should be 180 degrees. So we can now say that x plus y plus the 90 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. We have it as sum of angles in a triangle. So here you can now see that let's make y the subject formula. You see that y is equal to 180 degrees minus 90 degrees minus x, all of them crossing the equality sign. You see that y is equal to 180 minus 90 is what? 90 degrees minus x. That's our first y. Then for our second y, observe that also this line that moves to the tangent t is what? Is angle that is also on a straight line. That means y plus 3x plus 15 degrees should also be 180 degrees because angles on a straight line is 180 degrees. So we now have that y plus 3x plus 15 is equal to 180 degrees. We have it as angles on a straight line. So you can now see that y is equal to 180 degrees minus 15 degrees minus 3x. And that will be that y is equal to 165 degrees minus 3x. So since we have this now, we can now equate the two. That means 90 degrees, so that we can find x. 90 degrees minus x, this x, is also equal to 165 degrees minus 3x. Do you see that now? It's very easy. So let's collect like terms. First, we are going to minus 90 degrees from both sides. 90 degrees from both sides. And what? Add 3x to both sides. So we have it that minus x plus 3x is equal to 165 degrees. We are minusing 90 degrees. So minus x plus 3x will give you 2x, and it's equals to 165 degrees minus 90 degrees is going to give you what? It's going to give you 75 degrees. Okay? Since you have that 2 of x is what? 75 degrees. You just have to divide through by 2 and divide through by 2. If you divide through by 2, you see that x is equal to 37.5 degrees. And that's, we've gotten x to be 37.5. Recall, we got that one of our equations, that y is the same thing as 90 degrees minus x. So from the equation, we plug in the value of x to be 37.5 degrees. Y is equals to 90 degrees minus 37.5. 90 degrees minus 37.5 degrees is going to give you that y is equal to